Retirement is closer than you think. Are you ready for the truth? Most people aren't prepared for the financial realities of retirement. Discover what you need to know before it's too late. The illusion of Social Security. Many believe Social Security will cover all needs. In reality, it only provides a fraction of your pre-retirement income. Planning beyond this is essential for a secure future. The rising cost of living. Inflation continues to climb, eroding your purchasing power. Without a solid retirement plan, maintaining your lifestyle could become a struggle. Prepare now to protect your future. Healthcare expenses skyrocket. Healthcare costs are increasing rapidly. Medicare may not cover everything, leaving you vulnerable. Building a robust retirement fund can safeguard your health and well-being. The risk of outliving savings. With life expectancies rising, there's a real risk of outliving savings. Many retirees face financial insecurity. Plan for longevity to ensure your money lasts as long as you do. Relying on 401(k)s alone. 401(k)s are valuable but often insufficient. Fees and market volatility can eat into returns. Diversify your investments to create a more stable retirement income. Pension plans, a dying breed. Pensions are becoming rare, leaving workers to self-fund retirement. Without them, you must take charge of your financial future. Learn to build your own safety net. The importance of early saving. The earlier you start saving, the more you benefit from compound interest. Delay costs you significantly. Make retirement savings a priority today for a comfortable tomorrow. The power of financial education. Understanding investments, taxes, and budgeting is crucial. Many lack this knowledge, jeopardizing their retirement goals. Educate yourself to make informed decisions. Retirement age may increase. The age for full retirement benefits is rising. This means working longer or adjusting financial plans. Stay informed of changes to adapt your retirement strategy effectively. The gig economy's impact. Many rely on gig work without benefits. This affects retirement savings significantly. If you're in the gig economy, take steps to secure a stable financial future. The threat of unexpected events. Job loss, medical emergencies, or market crashes can derail plans. Building an emergency fund is crucial to weather unexpected financial storms and protect your retirement. The importance of estate planning. Without proper estate planning, your assets might not go to loved ones. This can result in unnecessary taxes and complications. Ensure your legacy is preserved by planning now. The myth of downsizing savings. Downsizing homes doesn't always save money. Hidden costs can offset benefits. Analyze all expenses before relying on downsizing as a retirement strategy. The role of passive income. Passive income can supplement retirement funds significantly. Rental properties, dividends, and royalties offer potential streams. Explore passive income to enhance financial security. Take action now. Don't wait until it's too late. Start planning and saving for your retirement today. Consult with financial advisors to create a personalized strategy that secures your future. Thank you for watching Secure Your Future Now. Consult with financial advisors to create a personalized retirement strategy. Don't wait until it's too late to start planning. Go to MoneyLens, subscribe, learn, succeed.